Hi guys, welcome to Root Expert. Today I will share with you how to use MX Player as an audio player to play MP3 or audio files. So let's start. At first open MX Player, then click on menu button, right side upper corner, then click on settings, then audio, then mark on audio player, use as an audio player. Okay, our work has finished. Now we can use MX player as an audio player to play MP3 or audio files. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.